Imagine you're in bed, it is 5 AM, it's dark. Come on, imagine it's dark. Your chickens are surrounded by an electric chicken fence and in the 130, and you're still in bed and this happens. See that? Auto doors, no hands, auto doors. So you can set them up on a timer to open before you're out of bed to let your chickens out. Is that cool or what? So both sides, check it out over here. This side's opening up simultaneously and your chickens are coming out onto the fresh green grass. I'll show you some of the features. So starting at the front here, we've got our tow ball. That's just an ordinary 50 mil tow ball that goes on the back of your ute or tractor. You've got a water drum. Now this water drum's an option because the Chicken Caravan 130, it comes flat pack. So you can get it with your nipple drinkers, but we can't ship the water drums. They're just too big and bulky, but you can buy one of them at the rural supply store. Put a hose outlet at the top, hose outlet at the bottom. So you fill it up there, and water comes out there. That's gravity that makes that happen. This is a fold up jockey wheel. So you can just fold it up when you tow it around and then move it up and down. And to make it easy, do you know how when you're leveling something up, is it level? Check this out. Have a look at that. Boom, boom, spirit level. Okay, so around this side, this is where the chickens lay. If I was a chicken, I'd jump in there right now. So they jump on this little step and then up in here, they lay their eggs on this beautiful mat. And if ever you need to clean this mat, just pull it out, give it a shake, put it back in, very easy. These little privacy flaps so they can feel just nice and secure and private when they lay their eggs, and they can just push in past there and jump out. We'll go around the back of the van. We've got a jockey wheel here. This is just to add a bit of stability. So you can wind this down. So if it's windy, it'll just add a bit of stability. Check this feature out though. See up here? So you imagine it's really windy. I'll just pretend it's really windy. So if it's really windy there, the doors, you can set that to say 20 kilometers an hour, and then the doors, they'll automatically close down. So let's just imagine that we've hit 20 kilometers an hour. You don't want your chicken caravan to blow away. You can automatically set that for 20 kilometers an hour, and these doors, like so, will automatically close down, and they'll close down to about there. So the chickens will still be able to get in and out, but so they won't be locked in, but it's just going to create a little bit more shade and shelter for when it's windy. I'll open it back up. It doesn't normally come with a remote. That's just so I can show you what's going on. So here's where we collect our eggs here. So this chicken master control box is the ultimate. So this organizes the doors, it organizes lights. So if we have a look up there, we've got lights. So in the middle of winter, you can actually add a little bit of light to the chickens just to extend their day. We're not turning them into battery cage hens, but it's just to take out the troughs of winter. So that organizes the doors that you just saw, the nesting boxes, gates. So the chickens can't sit in there at night because those gates will open up, and it does the lights, the doors, it does everything. It's just awesome. It's almost better than your iPhone. And then here's the conveyor belt. So here we go, we've got this nice little, so the chickens can't sit on there. When we want to come collect our eggs, we just fold this down. This handle here just goes on either side if you're right or left-handed. We don't discriminate. And your eggs, here's something we prepared earlier. So the chickens have already laid those eggs, and you just put your egg tray there, wind them in, boom, boom, boom. How's that? Chicken Caravan 130.